If you are still trading meme coins, you have to stop because I've made almost $1 million in the past month, all from launching them. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch your first coin and print thousands of dollars. So make sure you keep watching. Yes, you heard me right. I made all my money from launching meme coins. Because just over a month ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day right here, looking for the next big meme coin to buy into. But every single time I invested my money inside a meme coin, it just got rug pulled. For example, this coin right here is a perfect example of what usually happens, okay? People buy into these coins, right? And after that, when the market cap is high enough, the creator of the coin simply dumps the coin to complete zero and everybody loses their money. And that's exactly why I stopped trading meme coins and I started launching them. Because now I am the one who is creating these coins, waiting for buyers to buy in, and when the market cap and the liquidity and the profits are good, I exit with profits and I get away with thousands and thousands of dollars. And yes, bro, you can do this over and over again until you are fucking rich, so it is a repeatable method that can generate consistent gains. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to launch your first Solana meme coin on the blockchain and then print thousands of dollars, so make sure you keep watching. But I just want to be clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Stop the cap! You can't copy me. Now, first of all, you have to create your own coin. So I would highly advise you to head over to create tokenfast.Fun to launch your first coin, because this is the only legit launchpad site on YouTube that actually works, and you do not need any coding skills required. And the reason why thousands of people launch their own coins on createtokens.fun is because all the meme coins are going to be listed on the Raydium DEX, which means that it will be immediately graduated and it will be shown to thousands of investors. And also, all the coins on the Raydium DEX will get a much more higher market cap than Pump.Fun. As you can see, 100,000, 20 million, 40 million, 2 million, 1 million, they're all over $100,000. But if we go on Pump.Fun to compare the market caps, yeah, it's really bad. 8,000, 50,000, 10,000, okay? The point I'm trying to make is that you have to be launching your own coins on createtokens.fun if you want to maximize your profits. But now, to create your coin, bro, you could either make it from scratch, so all you have to do is find a good narrative online, on Twitter, on TikTok, I don't know, find a viral meme. Then after that, you would just invent a name, a symbol, and an image, right? But I personally don't do this because the second option is actually my favorite one. Basically, all you have to do is copy trending coins, okay? Essentially, all these coins, they're all trending, they're all pumping on Pump.Fun. So all you have to do is steal the narrative, launch it on the Raydium DEX, and then print thousands of dollars. And since all these coins, they're all proven to get buyers, as you can see last buy 6 seconds ago, well, you're essentially guaranteed to get buyers and profits. But obviously, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's head straight to making some money. So I'm gonna copy a coin real quick. Let me see. So I just refreshed the list. Okay, the King of the Hill just caught my attention. It's a Gummy Nico coin. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago and a $42,000 market cap. So obviously, first of all, you would have to connect your wallet. Mine is already connected. After that, click on create coin, which will copy it. Right? A warning will pop up. It's completely normal. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, understand, confirm. And then your coin should be created shortly. Just be patient. Come on. Creating your token. And then, let me see if it's created. Yes, sir. It's created. It's all legit. It's on the blockchain. So, this website actually works. And now, click on create liquidity pool. And now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. So here you would select your coin, here select your Solana balance. I'm starting with 1 SOL, so we're going to see how much I make by the end of the video. Amount token A, click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool. And for the amount token B, this is the first initial buy inside your own coin, so you will be the first buyer and you are not losing this money. I would highly recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL, so I'm going to put 0.5 SOL. And now we should be ready to create the pool. And once again, let me just be really clear, you are not losing this money. It will come out of your wallet, but after you remove the liquidity, it will come back inside your wallet. So make sure you have enough in your wallet, okay? And now it's time to create the pool. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. Your phantom should pop up. Yes, sir. Confirm. And then click on refresh. And boom, it pops up. As you can see, oh my god, I'm already $80 in profit. Now click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. Let me see what happened. Okay, it pumped a lot. Then it dipped. Come on. Okay, fuck it. If it goes really high, I will be dumping the coin. So come on, go up, go up. Come on. Oh my god! Okay, to remove the equity, come on to Tokenfast.Fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100% remove the equity. Oh my god! I'm about to retire my entire family. Oh my god! Why do I have to put my password? Bro, come on! Confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you pump and dump a coin and print thousands of dollars on demand. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made in 3, 2, 1, bro, I'm so nervous, bro. Oh my god. $503 is inside my wallet, bro. Oh my god, I made $500 off this one Memecoin launch. Create Tokenfast.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to enter the one soul giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And now bye.